Hello kids, let's learn some 2D shapes. This is black color. It is circle. It is 8-pointed star. It is up arrow. It is pentagon. It is L shape. It is heart. Now let us know about the color name. These are our colors. It is red color. It is pink color, yellow color, light green color, orange color, blue color. Now let us color the shapes. It is green color. It is circle. It is yellow color. It is 8-pointed star. It has 8 points. It is pink color. It is up arrow. It is orange color. It is pentagon. It is blue color. It is L shape. It is red color. It is heart. Kids, let us recall the shape's name and color name once again. It is circle, light green color, 8-pointed star, yellow color, up arrow, pink color, pentagon, orange color, L shape, blue color, heart, red color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.